Hello, and thank you for attending this tech tip by Design R1 software. In this video, we'll show you how to use the concatenate feature in Excel, and what that does is it takes two or more values in two separate cells and combines them into a single cell for you. So as you can see, I have cell C1 selected. I'm going to go ahead and combine the information from cell A1 and B1 and throw it into C1. So we'll go ahead and start off with the formula. Equals concatenate, open parentheses, select our first cell, and then to get a space in there so it's not just all one word mashed together, we're going to do a quote, space, quote, comma, select our second cell, close the parentheses, hit enter, and there it is, it's in there now. And if you hover over this as well, you can see that the formula you typed in is actually the concatenate formula and not just Chris Huffman in there. Go ahead and double click the box in the lower right hand corner of the selected cell and it will auto fill out the formula for the rest of that column. And there is a second way to do the concatenate as well. Go ahead and hit equals, and this second way is using ampersands instead of that concatenate word. So we're going to go ahead and select our first cell, ampersand, quote, space, quote, again, so we get our quotes in there, and then do another ampersand, and then select the secondary cell. Hit enter, and there you go. And as you can see, the formula is in there as well, and not just me typing in Chris space Huffman. So there's the one way, and there's another way to use the concatenate formula. Two separate ways, same results. Whatever, it depends on how you want to use it. If you want to type out concatenate every time you want to do it, or just use ampersands, it's your choice. It does the same results, two different formulas. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Twitter at DesignR1LLC and like us on Facebook at DesignR1Software. Thank you, and look forward to the next video.